Yeah, so today we're out here doing an aeration and top dressing job in St. Augustine. So a lot of Florida homeowners know about aeration. They know that, you run the aerator across the yard, you're gonna get these cores pulled out of the yard and you're pulling out that sandy soil, that compacted soil to make space for irrigation water, to make space for nutrients like fertilizer. But what they don't know about is top dressing. It's commonly misconstrued, but this right here is Comand soil. Super, super fine, grinded up, but it's super nutrient rich, holds moisture, and really, really builds a healthy soil profile for your lawn. What typically happens when people do aeration and lawn programs in Florida, us included, is we're feeding the top of the lawn, just trying to get that nutrients into the soil. But as soon as that nutrients hits the lawn and hits the roots, it's gone, because in Florida's sandy soil, there's nothing there to sustain it, right? In this sandy soil, there's nothing there to sustain long-term nutrients. So what we're doing is we're removing that sand, putting in nutrient-rich compost called Comand soil, and that's gonna feed the lawn long-term, right? That's what brings in your beneficial bugs, your worms, your earthworms, stuff like that, and it really holds on to moisture, holds on to nutrients, and feeds the lawn long-term. So if you're interested in this service, a lot of our typical clients are frustrated that their lawn program is getting a little bit of results, but isn't getting them the results they want. So what they should do is reach out to us. Let's get you on an aeration and top dressing service. We typically like to do it once or twice a year for a couple of years in a row to build that composition in your soil. And then after that, you're gonna be super happy with the result.